لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة تلك أمة قد خلت لها ما كسبت ولكم ما كسبتم ولا تسألون عما كانوا يعملون. Translation: Those were the people, nations who have passed away. They will have that what they earned, and yours will be that what you earn. And you will not be questioned of what they used to do. This ayah explains a very important law of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the background of this ayah is the Jews, the Bani Israel, who had done so many mistakes and who had done so many disobediences, and yet they were thinking that they were among the children of the prophets, and because of that, they will be saved from the punishment of Allah. And they were extremely arrogant about that they are not common people, they are the children of the prophets. And this ayah has clearly negated this thought. And what they were doing was the wishful thinking, as we had seen in the previous ayahs of Surah Baqarah, that they had the wishful thinking that they will be saved. And even if they go in the fire, they will go in the fire for a very limited time. So Allah has clearly said here, Laha ma kasabat walakum ma kasabtum, that they will have that what they earn, and yours will be that what you earn. So this is the law, and this is mentioned elsewhere in Quran as well. Now, in the nation of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Ummati Muhammadiyah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have a great number of people who say that we are Sayyids and we are the children of certain peers and certain scholars, and based on that they think that they will be saved from the punishment of Allah. And this uh, thing that they belong to a family of some scholars and peers, and they belong to the family of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, will save them. And Allah has clearly negated this. Some of the false scholars and peers and faqirs say that if you come and if you join us under our flag, we will have you go in the paradise. And no one, absolutely no one, has this authority. And this topic can be understood by a very famous and a very important hadith which is narrated, which is present in Sahih Bukhari, that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam went on the mountain of Safa, and they called to Quraysh and his own family members, and he called everyone towards the Islam, and he called people in general and specifically like Abbas ibn Muttalib, and he said that I cannot save you. And he said to his aunt that, oh Safiya radiallahu ta'ala anha, I cannot save you from the punishment of Allah. And O daughter of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you can take whatever you want to take from my money. However, I cannot save you, O Fatima bint Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, from the punishment of Allah. So when Prophet cannot save his family members and daughters, no one else can save anyone. Only the iman and the good deeds of that person can save them. Oh Allah, give us understanding of Quran. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.